secara langsung upaya pihak pemerintah Indonesia, khususnya TNI, dalam mengordinasikan operasi bantuan secara baik, kekuatan dan tekad rakyat Aceh, serta kepercayaan dan persahabatan yang terjalin antara rakyat Singapura dan Indonesia. Tekad untuk membangun kembali dan bangkit kembali serta menghadapi kesulitan dengan keberanian dan mendalam adalah sesuatu yang tidak akan pernah saya lupakan. Many Singaporeans responded to our chorus of support. We saw doctors, nurses, and medical specialists perform the voluntary services. In addition, the Singapore government's contribution of over $70 billion to tsunami-stricken people from all walks of life in Singapore contributed more than $75 million to the relief efforts through the Singapore Red Cross Society. Today, we're gathered here to commemorate the resilience and solidarity of the Indonesian people, especially the people of Aceh. When I visited Melabo in 2014, 10 years after the disaster, I could see buildings. I remember visiting Chut Nyak Dian Melabo General Hospital, Melabo Concrete Pier, and the Fajar Hidayah Boarding School. Which was some of the projects set up and developed after the tsunami. I was very happy. So many local residents meeting in the war rooms and our sites. Provided it is coming. Our shares are stronger from this episode and charted a path forward. Importantly, I am confident that Aceh will grow and develop, and I look forward to significant achievements in the coming years that will bring happiness and prosperity to the people of Aceh and Indonesia. Today, we face new challenges ranging from pandemics to climate change. The countries in our region have to work together, as we have done before, to find common solutions to these multifaceted issues. As close friends, I'm confident that Indonesia and Singapore will continue to stand in solidarity and support one another as we've done so in the past, especially during this period. To conclude my remarks, I would like to share a small jalan-jalan ke Indonesia. Mari berkunjung ke tanah lucu. Singapura Indonesia terus bersama, hubungan kita tak dalam.